Friends, you're watching latest creation. My lime, not lemon, lime, meringue. This plain one that I cut into, and this other one is my lime, meringue, raisin with cherry pound cake. Yes, raisins with cherry pound cake. And you're watching this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV. So this is my trailer. Yes, my trailer to my upcoming video, full-length video on the making of my lime meringue pound cake. You're watching this on Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Please like and share. Please enjoy the view. Let me hear your opinion. It tastes fantastic. Yes, it is tasting fantastic. Tastes delightfully delicious. Yes, my friends, that is my creation here today in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. That is my lime, meringue, yes, raisin and cherry pound cake, and my lime, meringue pound cake. One is plain and one has cherries and raisins.